Okay, we are doing a sound check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Sound check. 1, 1.
Hey guys, it's Ben
and Jess,
and you are watching another episode of The Howl.
what's up, guys? Ben and Jess.
Hey.
So next weekend we're doing roll races again at PBIR.
Yeah.
Ben has a little sneak peek at what he's gonna do. Hopefully, I don't know for sure or not yet, but we're gonna do our best to get these in.
Little Bago injectors. So guess what's coming?
So he's gonna be on the juicy juice. Am I supposed to turn?
You're turning right here, baby.
All right, so we're turning here. We're driving.
Yeah, I'm riding bitch.
So yeah, Ben's gonna do E85. We're not gonna tell anybody yet. We want to see people's reactions first.
Yeah, what's he do?
I mean, it makes a difference.
I'm so scared.
It does make a difference.
It does, though.
So hopefully we'll have him in by the weekend. If not, then just enjoy the videos of Ben getting walked, because it never happens ever.
Yeah, but notice she'll do no dig videos. Because what happens when we run digs? What happens when we run digs?
I don't know what happens when we run digs, because there's no evidence of any dig runs.
This is going to be edited out. Actually, I do have video that I'll be glad to post. Oh, shit.
Show you the dyno sheets in a second. Results, you know what, there's probably people out there putting higher numbers. We are like almost in the middle of summer for Miami, which we get summer starting in May. But my car made a total peak of 448. I forget the torque, but we'll show the we'll show the sheets.
E85.
Huh?
Post
E85. Yeah, exactly. It picked up 12 horsepower on the peak, but the real interesting thing was how much it picked up in the mid-range. Between 5 and 6,000 RPM, picked up somewhere between 22 and 25 horsepower, and as much as 20 torque. It was incredible. You'll see the graph. It's really from 2,000 all the way up. There's increases. But, you know, I wanted to mention this because some people are like, oh, wow, 12 horsepower. But you saw the before and after of, when I was running Jess in Mexico, and then when we did it again on the drag strip back here in the USA.
Right.
And, it was a huge difference because she was just walking me before.
I mean, we have pre and post videos. We have dyno results, and the best dyno of them all, the butt dyno.
Yeah,
so tell
exactly.
them the difference
yeah.
between non-E85 and E85.
I picked it up again. It was, I mean, the response, the way it just picked up, it's just incredible. It seems to rev quicker. I just can't get over it. I keep hearing about E85, whatever, and you hear the numbers, you make 10, 15, 20, but I think you're used to with most mods, you feel those at the peak.
Right.
And, the difference with the E85 is that it's not just at the
all
peak.
over.
Yeah, exactly. Like, there are certain mods where you make 10, 15 horsepower, but that's like at 7,000 RPM or something. So you're only feeling it when you're maxed out. Now, this stuff, it's just from the bottom to the top. And in the mid, it's just incredible. So I can't say enough about it. I don't know if I'm going to go back on my 93 tune ever. I think I'll be just running it I'll be grinding corn and putting alcohol in a blender here if I have to keep running it. So, we're super happy. Shout out to Steeda. You'll see, listen, we love all our tuners. Jess uses Lund. Great experience with Lund. She's been using them since the beginning. Palm Beach Dyno, a lot of people use them down here. Awesome tuners. Steeda, I have a great relationship with. They take good care of me. They've got me to use my car for some testing, so it was just easier to stay consistent. And from my results the other night, Jane's ain't the worst tuner out there. I can tell you that. So anyway, that was it. Hope you enjoyed.
We're happy.
We're happy.
Stay tuned for more episodes.
Yes.